So you what's up Eddie भैया? ठीक है भाई, what's up? भाई आज का जो टॉपिक है भाई बहुत क्रेजी लिस्ट है एंड टॉपिक आज का ये है जो अकॉर्डिंग टू अस एंड मतलब ऑफ ऑल टाइम टॉप 15 प्लेयर्स जो हैं NBA के एंड किसी में 2 भी हो सकते हैं, किसी में 3 भी हो सकते हैं। बहुत टफ लिस्ट है भाई।
मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब हम कह रहे हैं कि यही है टॉप 15 हो सकता है,
सबके अपने अपने ओपिनियंस होते हैं, कोई ऑफेंड मत होना एंड भाई बहुत टफ लिस्ट है भाई एक्चुअली।
Oh, blocked by James! Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Irving raising up. Oh, a little bit of jelly at the rim. Rejected by James! Curry gets it right back from half court. And it's good! A Curry moment in Boston.
पहले ऑनरेबल मेंशन कर लेते हैं भाई।
ऑनरेबल मेंशन शुरू करना है?
हाँ, आप बताओ पहले।
So my first honorable mention will be Nikola Jokic.
ठीक है।
Okay? And the next I'll keep David Robinson.
David Robinson. Yes. Honorable mention, bro.
I mean, I wanted to keep him top 15,
but that list was very tough.
But my list is stacked, bro. Very tough. It was very tough to keep him anywhere in the list. So, the next, Jerry West.
Jerry West.
I mean, he did his work in his era. And Patrick Ewing. I know you like him. Sorry. Scottie Pippen.
Oh my.
Okay. One of the most underrated players. Clyde Drexler.
No. Oh shit.
Yes, man. I mean, the people in my list, they cannot be moved anywhere else except one guy. That I will tell you later. The next two are Elgin Baylor. I didn't want to leave him out. I mean, in that era, he was a scorer. Over 27 points every game. It's a big deal. And Dirk Nowitzki.
मैं बताता हूँ। Elgin Baylor, James Harden, Rocket. No bro, honorable mention. No. Rocket वाला version.
Okay.
Scottie Pippen.
Okay.
Jerry West.
Yes.
And now, 2 of my favorite honorable mentions. Tim Duncan and Steph Curry.
शुरू हो गया, आगरा शुरू हो गया. Bro. God damn. Already.
रिवर्स ऑर्डर में स्टार्ट करेंगे तो फर्स्ट मैं 15 पे मैंने बहुत ही मतलब बहुत ही ऐसे प्लेयर को रखा है कि भाई उसे सबकी फाड़ दी थी अपने era में। रेजी मिलर।
For some peace of mind, it's like the homies just want a piece of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping, I can butcher you.
Luka Doncic.
Over Curry. I hate him by my heart.
Curry.
Yes.
Why?
I don't know why.
What if you hate him?
I don't want any other competition in 3-point shooting.
Man.
That's why.
You take him as competition.
Yes.
That's why you hate him.
Yes.
You should be motivated by it.
No. मैं अपने competition को hate करता हूँ भाई. मेरे को कोई competition नहीं चाहिए
This
भाई.
guy is off the chart. Off the charts. चलो, my 15th player, Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Bro, I thought you will freak. Keep him on top 10.
No, bro. No, I mean, I wanted to. I would keep him in top 5 if it was up to me. Okay? He's like my second favorite player of all time after LeBron. But I know this is a very biased opinion, keeping him top 15 above the other players I mentioned. But for personal bias, personal reasons, I will keep him in.
Okay. So now let's move on to 14.
Yes.
The NBA फेस जिनको कोई नहीं जानता भाई, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट कोई नहीं जानता इनको। Clyde Drexler। शॉन के। I told you earlier कि मैं एक ऐसा बंदा डालने वाला हूँ, कोई याद नहीं रखा उसे। So his blocks भाई,
respectable.
Sonic.
I mean, you give good opinions once in a while, but Tim Duncan and Steph Curry, the hate for them too is unprecedented. Let's go. My 14th, KG.
My job was to stop you. So I don't anticipate you liking me. I don't anticipate you trying to be my friend, because I'm not trying to be your friend.
I kept him in my best power forwards list also. I wanted to keep him in top 10-11, but my next players, I mean, I cannot move them anywhere else. Okay, let's go. 13th.
On 13th, so I have 3 players.
Okay.
And their
13th.
And their athleticism is unmatchable.
Why 3?
I don't know because I was so confused. Kar rakhu maine? Okay, so first at weighted.
GD Factory Clips.
Second, Allen Iverson.
Dunkman, age 27.
Allen Iverson.
हाँ भाई, the crossover भाई.
Above Curry and Tim Duncan.
Obviously, Curry and they are lower than this. My favorite point guard.
Westbrook.
Above Curry.
Bro, not just above Curry, you kept him above Scottie Pippen. Who all? Clyde Drexler, no, not Clyde Drexler.
Elgin Baylor,
Elgin
Harden,
Baylor, James.
Pippen, Davis.
Bro, no. No.
Now, guys, that shows that I really love him by my heart. Okay.
But you hate
Curry by my heart.
No, you hate every good player. I have accepted this. You hate everybody else above him.
See, I don't want any competition in 3-point shooting. ठीक है, जो मुझे Curry दे रहा है.
ये points नहीं होना चाहिए भाई मेरे.
And post पे भी मुझे कोई competition नहीं जो Tim Duncan दे रहा था. भाई आप अपना बता दो.
And board shooting also.
हाँ, board shot तो आपको पता है मैं cook कर देता हूँ. 40 points board shots भाई.
My 13th, Big O, Oscar.
The Big O, Mr. Triple Double. You can't shoot no more.
Mr. Triple Double before Russell Westbrook in that era. He was the
Respect.
and he is one of the very few players who have scored 25,000 points and also 8,000 assists. I think there are only 4 or 5 players.
Okay, so that was your number 12.
Oh, 13.
So now let's move on to number 12. Bill Laimbeer. ब्लैक बॉल पिस्टन का भाई सेंटर भाई अनबीटेबल भाई वो हर किसी को तोड़ देता था भाई. करीम को भी लैरी बर्ड के साथ उसकी फाइट हुई थी बहुत बुरी टीडी गार्डन में. प्लस उसके साथ मोसेस मलोन.
The man who came alive with 24 points, 23 rebounds and 3 block shots. Moses Malone did what Philadelphia wanted him to do. The champions of the NBA 1982.
Yes,
Moses Malone
and Bill Laimbeer. भाई सब ऑनेस्टी के साथ है. ऊपर जाके जवाब भी देना इसलिए हम इसे ऑनेस्ट रहोगे.
number 12 na?
Yes.
I have kept some players in. Bill Russell.
She's just a girl.
Like I told you in my last video, I keep them as equals, so I will not separate them. But I have kept them so low. There is a reason. I don't consider that era that good. That's you know many. I mean, very famous players also have said the same thing that I say. But you know, I know they deserved a little, you know, respect.
But that was the most physical era.
I know.
No fouls.
But still, they were not very good players to compete against them.
Okay. देखो, see guys, मेरा जो mindset
I wanna hear it. Come on.
मेरा जो mindset है वो थोड़ा ऐसा कि भाई tough खेलो, dominant खेलो, full trash talk and एकदम जान लगा दो, full hustle वाला. तो इसलिए मेरी लिस्ट में ना हमेशा hustlers थोड़े टॉप पे रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ अब 11th पे बढ़ते हैं. रशीद वॉलेस. Ben Wallace.
Good for me, my dear. Funny you come back to me, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I can't ignore. Yeah.
दोनों एक टाइम पे टीममेट्स भी थे. बेन वॉलेस किसी से नहीं डरता था भाई. द मोस्ट डेंजरस प्लेयर इन द NBA हिस्ट्री अभी तक. बेन वॉलेस वाज अ गुड पिक.
Okay, Ben Wallace was good, I know.
But Rashid Wallace, okay, ठीक है.
This is a top 15 of all time, man. All time.
But bro, now I will move on to Dame time. Okay, आप पहले अपना बताओ नंबर 11. बताओ तो यार. यार ये
For 11th. In my opinion, one of the, if not the greatest scorer in history.
Okay.
Kevin.
Amor me comprendan, amor me del pasado. Ven, 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 rapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo.
I like his game, I love his game. I know he has not won anything, no, apart from the 2 rings he won with Steph Curry, but I respect him. That's why.
So now let's move on to number 10, and I have 3 players here, and all 3 are power forward.
Okay.
KD Gujar, and KG Kevin Garnett.
Okay.
No भाई कोई इसमें oh shit. And Dirk Nowitzki.
I respect that. I respect. That's
yes,
a good.
I know.
That's a good hot take. Keeping them in top 10.
My number 9 is also decent.
Bro, come on, man. That was good. I wanted you to keep these players, not fucking Westbrook.
Lord, let's suit up.
My 10th, Hakeem.
I might just hit it raw, hold on, that's on my element. I like dark skins, love a melanin, question of the tone. When I'm stepping in, 30 bottles of the zoo till I'm sentiment. I had the Lambo, switch to the Rory. I'm a gangster.
That's very bad.
No, bro.
Bro, on number 10.
I know your list is different, but I have to keep. The next players are, irreplaceable actually. I cannot replace them with anything. That's why I kept them.
Okay, so now let's move on to number 9, which is also a decent. Dr.
but you are. I just want to, remind you, you are keeping all of them above Steph Curry, Tim Duncan,
Who is Steph?
Jerry West.
Who is Steph Curry?
Leave it. What did you keep? What did you give 9? Julius
Julius Erving, Dr. J, and Karl Malone.
Okay, respectable. That is also respectable.
Now this list is going to get more respect.
My 9th pick, which is I think the very close spot for
For 9th?
Yes.
For me, that's
I kept him at 9. He has proven, a lot. If he had not won the 2022 ring, I would have kept him around.
Bro, पता है देखो, स्टेफ करी को टक्कर देने के लिए जॉर्डन पूल को साइड में कोर्ट साइड पे बैट ही बिठा तो जॉर्डन पूल तक डीप 3 मारने लगे। आइडिया अच्छा है। भाई फिर स्टेफ करी बेंच पे होता है जब वो हाफ फुट पे कुक कर रहा होता है पूल।
10 points for each baddie on the court.
हाँ भाई।
लेकिन जब
Proud daddy of
2022 में जो प्रूव किया है करी ने सारे haters,
हाँ भाई,
I think he deserves top 10. You were a Steph Curry glazer at that point. I don't know what happened after that.
Okay, so now actually भाई अब बहुत हो गया, मैं बता ही देता हूँ यार। Actually मेरी जिंदगी में एक लड़की थी, उसको स्टेफ करी बहुत पसंद था, उसको गोल्डन स्टेट वॉरियर्स भी बहुत पसंद थी। जब से वो गई है भाई हेट हो गया भाई सब उसकी हर पसंदीदा चीज से, मेरी पसंदीदा औरत ही चली गई। So 8th पे वो bro
chill out bro no
okay oh भाई
8 go on
8th Giannis and Dennis Rodman. This is the actual spot they deserve.
Bro, this is completely.
I told you guys, I love hustle.
This list is I wanted to wait. At least top 7, top 8 would be good, man. Come on, not Dennis Rodman.
Dennis Rodman. I love his I love his shooting.
Okay. 8.
Yes.
The greatest power forward of all time. Tim
Duncan.
What about Casey and Dirk?
No, they are not the of all time.
Charles Barkley.
No, please. I mean, they are all good, but not of Tim Duncan. At 8, Tim Duncan. He has beaten LeBron in his prime. I have nothing else to say.
Bro, Dirk Nowitzki single-handedly dominated the whole NBA.
Bro, I know, but still, as a player, I'm, saying that.
Okay. So, भाई जो भी एकदम hustlers है ना दिमाग से, वो मेरे को love करता है. I know, love you too. ठीक है, तो अब 7th पे बढ़ते हैं.
Steph Curry was also a hustler. What happened?
He also hustles in bed.
Okay. No, bro.
Not on the court.
No, bro, no. Go on, carry on.
Number 7.
Hate is coming.
Nikem पे मुटाओ.
I don't want no love, little bitch. I'm tryna get a nut. And my bullet proof, little bitch. Yeah, they cooked up, but I'm with my blood. Swear to God, we gon' get some. I'm a world black. If I want it, I'ma get some. Got my fingerprints on some hollow to Charlie Lenson.
Patrick, number 7.
I love centers and power forwards.
No. What has
Number 6 पे तो आप और रहोगे.
What has happened?
Actually, I just noticed मेरी list almost centers से भरी हुई है.
Number 7.
And power forward. Yes.
Larry. For me, one of the top 3-4 greatest shooters shooters of all time and
Not Ray Allen.
one of the greatest scorers of all time.
Not Ray Allen.
I consider him also a very good shooter. It's not like Steph Curry, Reggie Miller.
Is he in your list?
Who?
Ray Allen.
Yes, of course. No, in this list.
Yes.
Not in this
Oh,
list,
अच्छा.
of course.
So ठीक है. So guys, now let's move on to number 6. Hakeem Olajuwon and David Robinson. Yes.
You know, I love Hakeem Olajuwon because he was very underrated throughout his career and even after his career.
But I love David Robinson too. I
know.
His
I know.
muscles.
I know.
I love
He
his
was
voice.
big. Yes, he was big. He was big as.
Actually, आपको भी पता है मेरा माइंडसेट अगर मैं डिफेंसिव पे खेल रहा हूँ तो आपको भी आपने मेरे को
Yes.
Always blocks भाई. Always blocks.
And Hakeem was
Hakeem and
block
David
master.
Now you're number 6.
Your number 6.
मैंने बताया
Oh,
Hakeem and Robinson.
My number 6. This is a hot take. Very hot.
इसी की
take.
बात कर रहे थे आप स्टार्टिंग में.
Number 6. Kobe.
Shaking on Miller and hitting a 2-point basket.
I'm sorry, guys. I cannot replace. You know, for me, top 5 is fixed. I cannot replace.
Bro,
I'm sorry.
I-
I'll tell you the reason after.
but I'm in trauma.
I'll tell you the reason to keep saying.
Can we move to
Yes,
hospital?
After I tell you my 5th. That's why.
Can we move to hospital? I'm in
Go
trauma.
on. I'll tell you.
Okay, so my number 5th is WC and Bill Russell.
Number 5th. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I love more physical.
I see where you're coming from, but
I'm coming from
I
my
won't
bed.
beat him in
I just woke up.
I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side.
And now I have joined the podcast.
No, bro. You are still sleeping, man. You are still sleeping.
Go to fucking sleep.
Okay. My number 5th, Shaquille O'Neal.
Okay, ठीक है. Respect.
I kept him above Kobe because in my opinion, he was, you know, the sole reason. Not sole reason, but you know, at least 50% the reason Lakers won and Kobe won those 3 first years. That's why he has those finals
I'm
MVPs.
actually very sleepy.
That's why he has the finals MVPs and that's why I kept him.
Where's अच्छा okay. So number 5th. No, sorry, number 4th.
Okay.
The actual spot for Larry Bird. And I don't know why you forgot about Magic Johnson.
Carry on.
These two, Larry Bird and Magic Johnson.
At number
3rd.
Number
4th.
My number 4th, Magic.
Now the ball in low to Magic Johnson. No, look to Kareem Star.
I have not forgotten about
Okay,
it, bro. The streets remember. The world remember, bro. 4 finals MVPs.
Yes.
Such a big player. Still such a good vision. So many assists, so many rebounds. One of the best players of all time. Straight up. Do we both agree?
एक
Third
सेकंड
position.
मेरे पे 2 है.
How many players?
देखो करीम तो होगा आपके पास.
Never knew all the things you say. They were never true in the games you play. You would always win. But I set my hand to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face.
At third.
हाँ.
Okay, I respect that. I have kept Kareem at third.
ठीक है,
Of
तो-
course, for obvious reasons.
हाँ.
And he's, you know, universally the third best player of all time. Everybody accepted. You know, except for some Kobe fans, they keep him at third or something. But I am also a Kobe fan. I'm not saying that. But you know, I kept all of these players above.
Bro, he hates Kobe.
Bro,
He's that type of person.
bro, I literally cried the whole night.
I'm sorry guys.
Kobe fan.
That was very serious. But I don't give a
No, bro. No, bro. R.I.P. Mom.
I love him, man. Full respect.
I love him, bro.
That's why I have kept him on second. Kobe and MJ.
Genie Factory clips.
Yes. Do you really think that they are better than King?
MJ at second
Yes.
with Kobe.
Yes. Shooting guard. The duo. Now tell me yours.
Second, LeBron James.
भाई खड़े हुए
क्या हो रहा है भाई?
खड़े
ब्रो
क्या कह रहे हो?
क्या ब्रो?
क्या कहा है आपने?
नो ब्रो, चिल ब्रो. Listen, sit down.
पहले LeBron को सेकंड पे कौन लगता है यार?
Sit down, man. Sit down. I know he is I know we are both, biggest LeBron.
सच में फेवरेट है आपका?
Yes, of course.
एंड तब आप उसको सेकंड पे रख रहे हो?
King James.
तब आप उसको सेकंड पे रख रहे हो?
There's a reason I have kept him at second.
भाई यार.
Bro, I want him to, succeed even further than this,
You are living in 2025, not 1980s.
It doesn't matter. Jordan.
यार.
MJ is still the number 1 player of all time. He is the most influential player of all time. Influential for ever.
I have to keep him at second, bro. Please understand.
समझ मेरे भाई.
ठीक है भाई, नंबर 1 पे मेरा लेब्रॉन जेम्स है, क्या ही करें. बट कुछ लोग हैं जिनको लेब्रॉन हेट करते हैं. इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन की जरूरत है नहीं. आप ही हो जिसको डाउट है.
Bro, but
यार
explain a little bit.
Bro,
For the fans.
ज्यादा पॉइंट्स इन NBA हिस्ट्री भाई. सबसे ओल्डेस्ट प्लेयर जो अभी तक खेल रहा है.
At this level, I accept that.
And first person to play with his son on the same court.
I accept all of this, bro. I accept all of this. Listen to me. I want LeBron to win this year also. That's why I have not kept my hopes high right now. I am not keeping him at first for some reason. If, I am saying it on camera, if LeBron wins another ring, he'll be number 1. If this year he wins, there's no debate, man. In his 40s, आज Luka beat Mavericks.
बहुत गंदा वो भी.
Bro, that was cold. Triple double against Mavericks, bro. Fans were saying thank you, Nico. Mavericks fans were saying thank you, Nico. Bro, it was funny. Okay, so that was our list. Very controversial list, especially from your side, bro. Especially from
my side.
Yeah, there is a whole debate for MJ and LeBron.
May 7 तक सही थी. उसके नीचे तो मैं मान सकता हूँ लोगों को थोड़ा ऑफेंड हो.
Bro, you kept Westbrook, but still above Curry and Tim Duncan.
चलो, लेकिन आप नंबर 1 पे MJ.
Bro, यार, see, MJ and LeBron debate is valid. It's very valid, but not Curry and Westbrook. Not them. Not Curry and Luka. Not anybody else. Man.
नहीं भाई.
Not Tim Duncan and all these players, man. Come on. What? Okay, this.
Bro, but the thing is,
this list is officially cooked.
No. The thing is, मैं actually officially Curry को hate करता हूँ. ये बात सबको पता है. But officially सबको पता है कि you love LeBron too. But उसके बाद भी आपने उसे नंबर 2 पे रखा. मेरा honorable mention पे रखना मानता है क्योंकि मैं उसको hate करता हूँ. सबको पता है.
Bro, but there's hate is one thing, but acceptance is another. Okay, you have to accept at least that somebody is very good. And you have, I hate many players in today's world. I don't like Shai Gilgeous-Alexander a lot as a human being or anything, or as a player especially. But I still think he's currently the best player in the league. I accept that. Okay, let's end this right here. We'll talk about this later.
Let's end this in bed.
And there are going to be. Oh no! What did you say? No zesty. What the fuck is this? No.
And एक बात याद रखना, I mean my words. So okay guys, thank you for watching.
We are gonna come back with a very good video with our very special friend. We are gonna do a draft, draft with a team. We all three will make our each different teams.
Okay. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Hate for this man. Bye guys. Bye.